Magluluto tayo ng bobong pusit. So, let's go! Sanang kalat, ilagay ang lutuan. Dahil nakaluwag tayo ngayon guys, so medyo malaki ang ating sibuyas. At ito yung ating pusit. Guys, hindi pala yung bobong pusit, adobong pusit. Ayan, mag-umpisa na nga tayo magluto. Ibuhos ang mantika at ilagay ang bawang. Haluin na onte. At ito naman ang sibuyas na pangmayaman. Haluin din natin siya. Ikot-ikutin lang sa kawali. Lagay na natin ang luya, pantanggal ng lansa. At nagbibigay din siya ng kakaibang lasa. Ayan, haluin lang natin ulit silang lahat. Ayan yung sibuyas, bawang at luya. Maluluto natin yung ating sibuyas na pangmayaman. At eto, kamatis, pampaganda ng kutis, nilagay na din natin. Lutuin natin ng maigi hanggang madurog. Hoy, baka matapon, dahan-dahan lang. Kala mo naman marunong eh. Ayan, durugin pa natin yung kamatis. Malapit na siyang maluto. Ay naku, inulit na pa talaga. Eto na, lagyan na natin si aling pusit. Ay, yung pusit pala. Mabilis ang luto lang to guys. Haluin lang natin ng onte. Ayan, ikot-ikot.
Oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted.
So, ayan guys, kumukulo na siya, nagwawala na. Tapos may maririnig kayong background na asong pangit tumatahol. Hindi pala yan nilagyan ng tubig guys, kusang nagtubig siya.
A few moments later.
So ayan nga guys, mukha siyang dinuguan. Pero adobong pusit yan guys, adobong pusit.